In this video, we will show you how to replace your wiper blades on this 2009 Dodge Dakota. Your wiper blades will be located along the bottom of your windshield. Something that's important to note when you're replacing the wiper blades is as you lift up the arm, it is spring-loaded, trying to force it back down towards the windshield. So once you have the wiper blade off of there, make sure you safely rest the wiper arm against the windshield without dropping it. Now we can move along to the removal process. On our application, we will be using a small pocket screwdriver. I'll carefully lift up on this and remove this locking tab. That'll just pop right up. Now the next thing you want to do is flex the wiper blade away from the wiper arm and make your way underneath this area. Where my index finger is, there's a small tab that you can grab onto. Pull it towards the wiper arm, squeezing it in. Once you have that squeezed in, we can continue on to grabbing that wiper blade and we're going to pull it down the wiper arm. Set this down on the windshield carefully. And there it is, friends. An important step that people typically forget is to clean the windshield where the brand new wiper blade will go. While I'm doing this, I'll make sure that I'm holding my wiper arm carefully. Now we can get ready for the installation of our brand new wiper blade. Lift up on that wiper arm, bring the blade into place, and then lock it in by pressing it towards the hook. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured. Gently rest it against the windshield. The process will be the exact same thing for the other wiper blade. Aside from that, go ahead and hop in the passenger compartment and test their functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.